Hi, Tiffany Cartwright with the amazing Amarra body scrubs. We're here today and we're hosting our third Amarra pamper party. And for those who don't know, Amarra is an amazing line of body scrubs that is infused with essential oils. We have 7 amazing varieties and I'm gonna go through each of them in turn. The one I'm holding here is the wild berry or strawberry exfoliant. It is absolutely amazing. It does wonders for our skin, and there are 7. So we've got the strawberry. Also, I'll take you guys through them. This one is mango. It's a mango exfoliant. It smells of mango. It's absolutely wonderful. We've also got a citrus, and citrus is a lemony one, and this was the one that I was really honored to audition for Shark Tank with. And I'll tell you, the team from Shark Tank absolutely loved the citrus scrub. So hopefully in the near future, I'll be on there with this scrub as well as the other 6. But again, this is an amazing citrus scrub. Also, I've got a brown sugar. This is a brown sugar scrub. It's made with organic coconut brown sugar. Brown sugar is a great exfoliant for our skin, and this, along with all the other ones, are infused with castor and apricot, grapeseed, and jojoba oil. So the sugars actually exfoliate, and then all of the oils moisturize. I'm going to do a live demo shortly so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. But in the meantime, I'll go on to the next one. This is lavender. Now, for those of you who love lavender, you're going to love this scrub. Lavender essential oil is so calming and it's so very, very relaxing. This one is actually infused with lavender essential oil, and it also has the apricot and castor, grapeseed, and jojoba oil. So you can use this at night, you can use it in the shower or in the tub. You just use it as you would a soap because it's exfoliating all of the dead skin, and then the oils moisturize your skin, leaving it satiny smooth. So this is an absolute bedtime favorite. Next we have the coffee exfoliant. Now, I call the coffee exfoliant caviar in a jar. Here, I'll open it up and you'll be able to see why. There we go. If we can kind of hone in on that one. This scrub is actually made with coffee. Those are actual coffee grounds in there. Actually beautiful. I call it caviar in a jar. I call coffee nature's best kept secret when it comes to our skin. And the reason for that is that coffee has amazing results for any type of dryness, wrinkles, cellulite, stretch marks. This coffee actually works. It's great for our skin. And the analogy that I always like to use is that for those of us who are coffee drinkers, in the morning we drink the coffee and it kind of wakes us up. Well, in the same way that coffee wakes us up in the morning, it also wakes up our skin cells and it gets the circulation going. I use this one daily on my face actually, and I'll tell you, you can actually feel the circulation improving in the morning. So if you want a great pick-me-up, this is it. It's a coffee exfoliating body scrub. And we also have a peppermint eucalyptus scrub. This one is absolutely amazing and has produced the most amazing results. It's infused with peppermint and eucalyptus essential oils. And I'll tell you what, the testimonials have been incredible. I created this one as a foot scrub and wanted to target athletes or people who lift weights, or you're on your feet all day. Maybe you work in retail at a store, what have you, but it was for tired, achy feet. To my surprise, I've had people that have had arthritis conditions and things like that who say that the inflammation, swelling has gone down as a result of using the peppermint and eucalyptus scrub and just leaving it on their skin. I've had people with injuries where they're saying that where there's soreness or achiness and they can hardly walk, and the stiffness, that the peppermint eucalyptus will hit it right on the spot, leaving them feeling much, much better. So again, these are the amazing, wonderful results that are coming from the Amarra Natural Scrubs. And just by way of background, to those who don't know, I actually practice law. That's my day job to the extent I have one. And my skincare line was started because my daughter was born with eczema, and I've always been into the whole holistic, all natural remedies. So I started mixing concoctions in the kitchen to cure her eczema because I didn't want to use the harsh steroids. I was afraid of what they would do long term to her skin. So I actually started mixing in the kitchen. And that's how Amarra started, mixing the castor, the almond, apricot, grapeseed, mixing jojoba oils together, and they actually treated her dry skin. I then turned it into an actual scrub so that you could exfoliate and moisturize at the same time, giving them away as birthday gifts, Mother's Day gifts, things along those lines. The next thing you know, fast forward, we got a full-blown skincare line of body scrubs. How exciting is that? As I said earlier, I was blessed to take it to Shark Tank and audition, and also even down to Walmart for open call. And we're also targeting a glam brand, and that's for all of the retail stores. We want to get that one to Walmart, Target, CVS, all of the major department stores. So be on the lookout for it. Hopefully it'll be hitting the shelves in your area very, very soon. So before we leave, I did want to do an actual demonstration to show you how the Amarra body scrubs work. Like I said, this is the strawberry. It's one of the top sellers. It's one of the newer ones as well, but it's an absolutely amazing scent. And what's nice is that we're only going to demonstrate with hands, but at home you can use it all over the body. You want to use it, like I said, in the shower or in the bathtub. And all you have to do is, we're going to just scoop a little bit out here. And this is just for demo purposes. Again, at home, you're going to want to use it over more than just the hands. And you can even see, if you do a close-up, look at that. You can see the oils right there that are mixed in with the sugar. Isn't that beautiful? You can see it just glistening there. Now, that's how your skin is going to glisten when you use it. Because in the shower, you're going to actually rub it in really, really well. And you want to make sure that you get around the cuticles, also in between the fingers where we have dry ashiness sometimes, especially when we have the cold weather. You want to make sure you get right in between there, get around those cuticles where that dry skin is, and you want to really just wring them in and out. Give them a really, really good wipe around, getting all that dead skin and dirt off of there. And then you simply rinse with warm water. And when you're rinsing, oh my gosh, you can feel it working right there. Your skin already, those oils are going to stay on the skin for you. The sugar and all the dirt, all the ashiness, all that dry skin is going to rinse right off for you. And then you're going to pat dry. Now, before we do that, even before patting, I just want to show you guys, because you can already see how nice the hands look afterwards. And the reason I say pat dry is because when you pat, you want the oils, as you can see, to stay on your skin. You want the oils to stay on. You want to just dab the water off. And look at that. You can see. That's the oil that stays on the skin, that keeps it nice and moisturized and satiny smooth. Not to mention how they smell. I was telling Joe, who's back here with the camera earlier, how what I want him to do is capture the reaction, because when people walk out of the bathroom after using the scrubs, all they're doing is just, oh my gosh, smell my hands, they smell amazing. And I'll tell you what, they really do. This is one of my favorites, the strawberry, and I'm telling you, my hands feel and smell, and don't they look amazing? All right, so you've seen it there. That is the magic of Amarra. And again, this is Amarra Body Scrubs, and for those who don't have my website, it's www.amarranaturals.com, and Amarra is A-M-A-R-R-A, and the naturals, Naturals.com. If you're looking for great Mother's Day ideas, I want to just recommend and highly suggest that you check out this line, amarranaturals.com. Thanks so much for joining, and we'll see you soon.